Hey guys, Michael Moore from 2020 Jedi Master. Then I'm gonna play Angry Birds Star Wars. I'm gonna do bonus levels, which means golden eggs. Or should I say droid eggs? So yeah, let's try 3. Because I haven't even passed it yet, so let's try 3. Wow, Grandma Part. Oh, C-3PO, and he pops up like popcorn. His all is like, look at that. He's like popcorn. So put it up here. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. He was like, what? Oh, I passed it. Yeah. Nice. Just 1 star. I thought so. Oh, that's my new high score. I want to do 6. Holy cow. That's a lot of blasters. Look, the TIE Fighter pigs are shooting lasers at each other or something. It's like they're having a battle of their own. That was nuts. He's shooting everything. He's shooting his side. Yeah, shut up, Darth Pig. Alright. Let's go down here. Wow. Whoa! Wow. It's like fireworks. Phew, now it's quiet. R2-D2 screams like when he flies off the slingshot. It's pretty funny. 2 stars. That's not bad. Let's do 2. Ouch! Look at that. Wow! Wow! Whoa! Well, Oops. Let's try that again. Alright. Oof. I kind of realized that C-3PO's bases are really strong when really heavy. Like, they're heavier than I thought they would be. They're like as heavy as the huge rocks, the small rocks. So, I don't even think you'll be able to lift him up or something like that, you know? Yeah. Sorry about that. My dad was... That was pretty crazy. Because, you know, sometimes you miss. Well, of course you would know that. So basically, let's try some of these levels. Let's try 3. Oh, that level's very hard. 4. This level's interesting. It's very weird. Wow. It's like R2-D2's. Oh, now I see. Oh my gosh. That's clever. And they missed that guy? Dang. Whoa. Wow. Now they got all of them, which is good. 3 stars, baby. So that's my new high score. Let's try 5. Oh yeah, 5 is like pretty challenging. Or something. Oh boy, that was weak. Oh. Wow. Oh, that's funny. Two stars. I thought so. All right. Whoops. Alright, guys. That should be the end of this video. I'll see you a little bit on. I'm Michael Morton. Subscribe if you have not, and check out some of my other videos.